Fine weather conditions underway. Let's go find a little wind, not too much wind.
Yeah, we got yeah, so we spoke with Frank and we spoke with Wild Goose, but we didn't put them in the seasons. I would imagine that's probably out of our range. Let's go up one. Yeah, I haven't heard them in a couple of days.
The sheet.
Here, Bill. Yeah, that's all right. I got it.
Almost. Still here a little bit.
Whoa!
What?
It's getting loose from it.
What?
You need me?
Yeah.
Everything okay?
Well, we're getting it there. I got it. Help me pull this, though. Help me pull this. We're going to get this around the cleat.
Here.
Get it right, please.
Go into the wind if you can. Right there.
Don't cut your hand. The surgeons at work. Chicken food?
No, you know what these are? I
Wait,
just read it.
video.
I just read it on the menu. I mean, on the package, they are rotisserie chicken with ham and cheese.
How about that? Let's feed some fish.
How much were they each?
We're gonna find out soon.
I actually thought they were really good.
I thought they were delicious. How many did I
But
just?
I didn't want to eat one if Bill didn't like it.
Well, thanks.
Did you get how many I just?
Bill
took
is a
over there?
fine purveyor of chicken food products.
7.
Lucky 7.
What did you think about those?
That was
Skipper?
rotisserie chicken with ham and what?
Cheese.
And cheese. And we thought it tasted like bologna. So obviously the ham and cheese didn't work too well.
Did we try frying any slices like you would bologna?
Did we, Bill? I don't think that helped either. The first day I gave you all that soup with chunks of that in there. Were you about to gross out? Pretty much.
That first day when I saw them and cut it up for that soup.
Realized it wasn't quite what you thought it
Well,
was.
that's not what I thought that was. But actually, you know, fried like bologna was
Acceptable.
wasn't terrible.
Right.
Digestible.
Oh yeah, that's the flour you're using there, huh, Bill?
There's a flour is one element. It does have a couple of
Secret ingredients.
additional enhancements.
Undisclosed.
Fish tacos will be tasty this evening. The sea will provide.
Yes, it will.
And Monty will drive while we're down here. That actually is a beautiful view. Look at that.
That is.
Yeah, thank you, Monty. Don't drop my new camera out. We saw the gaff go over earlier today.
That was a choke, wasn't it?
There was a gaff in his hand. Of course, right when I video, they go away.
It won't matter. They'll look like. They'll look tiny.
Where'd they go?
Guys in Beirut, places like that. Oh, Laura, she's so brave. All right.
All right, do y'all like the heading? Make some purple scene?
Wait for it, baby.
Bringing the jib out, wing and wing.
How much you want? Oh, more. Have more.
I know, but
Oh,
that's all of it.
yeah, Linda, you're gonna have to go left. There you go. Right.
That's the ring too.
Okay, stay there. Let's do that. Oh, this other sheet.
Yes.
All right, now get it out to the end of the pole.
We'll go to the end. Okay. It looks pretty solid.
Good job, guys. 2 reefs
Alright.
and a wing and wing. How much Genoa you got out?
We're on the second reef there too, which we might let out in a minute.
Okay.
I mean, right now we don't need it.
All right. Good job, crew. We have the busy chefs underway preparing the last meal at sea
Possibly
on day 21 because we have sighted land. We're at how many miles, Bill?
14.5 miles.
14 and a half miles out.
And it's going to be some awesome stuff.
What are we having? What's on the menu for lunch
I don't know,
today?
but she's going to get that thrown out.
It's like some chicken,
It's
chicken
gonna be
action.
tortillas.
Chicken tortillas. Awesome. All right.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. That's what-
Last meal before our landing.
Presumably.
Presumably.
Right. We're within 60.
Yeah, but it's last 60.
Looks like we've got a finger dock there on the right side, starboard side. Right next to Lady Liberty from San Fran.
Okay.
All right. Come forward a bit, Captain. Thank you.
And it tastes good.
All right. Cheers, baby. One more time for video. The Wild Goose has made it to
Wild
Grenada.
Goose.
3 weeks at sea. We're here.
Exactly. Damn, we're good.
Almost within a few hours adjusting for their time.
Right.